Alright traders, good day. So today is 20th of April 2020. We are now live day trading for S&P futures market E-Mini, and this is from my live trading for my micro account. So at this moment we already sent out one position to short sell the market, which is to enter short sell at this one, but unfortunately already hit the stop loss, and we re-enter again at 28 at 32.725. So based from this live telegram channel, now we are waiting for the re-entry, which is at 32.75, and this is the price we expected for the price to move on the downward movement. So based from my live indicator, this is my own indicator created under the name of US Sesion scalping indicator, and the system will generate me a short sell position within the US time frame. US Session begin. For example, this one is a short sell but already hit the stop loss, so we can re-enter again because there is still no buy signal appeared from this indicator. So this indicator also equip with this signal. So just now short sell from this ES market, so it generated the short sell position to sell one tick lower. So this is how it goes. So it will appear with the sound as well. So this will be attached to your trading view account. So normally I will use this as my signal. So maybe perhaps in the next few minutes we will receive a buy call maybe. So just wait and see. So while waiting for the buy signal to appear, so we will have to pay some attention from this VWAP line appeared not far from this area, which is at the higher side over here. This yellow line is the VWAP line, and I'm still waiting. If the price move back towards this price level, then we will go towards the short sell position. In case the price didn't go, then there's a high probability for the market to go for the higher price movement above VWAP area. So in this case, a re-entry on the buy position will be advisable, and I will advise from my live telegram channel, which is you can get the link in the description below, to go for this re-entry. While waiting for the re-entry, then we will wait for the signal whether to go for a long position or another short sell position. So the first signal already failed because already hit the stop loss, already entered somewhere here and then hit the stop loss. So while waiting for the buy signal, the next signal, then we might re-entry as well at 33.25 down here. Okay, so looks good so far. For now, we can see that the market provide us a good red candle, which is but there's no much pattern on this one because we can see there's a sideways kind of price movement, and very small range today for this one at the beginning of US session. So we are waiting for the second entry over here to re-entry at the 32.75. So while waiting we have to have to wait. If there's no luck, it could be then there will be a buy signal somewhere here, but based from this analytical indicator from my position, so there's a chance for the bearish movement. So we already re-entry, so I need to send out in my telegram channel to mention that we already re-entry. Entry fill. So we'll be using the same stop loss perhaps. So let's wait. Hopefully everything will go smoothly. Let's go back to the chart. Alright. Okay, in case the price not go to the direction we are expected, then we have to exit the market. Still in the small range, so you can see that from this price movement is very small range under time frame 1 minute. Oh, there's not much can be seen. So we expected for price reverse back further down and creating another lower low compared to this nearest low over here. So while waiting for the price, we will pause this video and resume later on. Alright, traders, resume back again. So at this moment we already exit the market with the losses of about $50 US. So we already re-enter position for the buy long. So at this moment, based from this channel, and we can see that there's a long position to go from this signal over here. There's a long position, so I need to send out the signal to my live telegram channel on the pullback. So this will help to gain more profit later on, which is at 61.8 or 78.6. 39.75 will be a good entry point. So I'll pause this video while sending out the signal. Alright, traders, we resume back again. So this moment we are in a pretty bad shape. We did enter on the second buy signal appeared in our telegram channel. Just send out the signal to go for second buy entry, which is a buy stop limit order to go long at 2853.75 with this very tight ranges before, which is already failed. I mean, this one already hit the stop loss, one losses, and the second one hopefully will be better, but at this moment we are on the negative side. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the price will remain on the higher side. So based from the current situation, you can see there's a 3 red candle appeared, which is not really good for our position. So we have to make a good comeback later on. Okay, there's more likely the market will go further down for current situation. So we pause this video while waiting for it to go back to the positive side. Alright, traders, we resume back again. So it seems like the price move higher. So based from this current situation, and also the hours, there will be in 1 minute and 30 seconds there will be another buy long position from this US Session Scalper indicator. So there's a buy signal to go long. So we're still using the same previous entry level, which is at based from this second entry, which is to re-enter at 2853.75. So hopefully the price will remain high and to touch the pivot line. So I believe this blue line is, yes, this is the pivot point, so it is quite legitimate. So we are expecting to have a profit of about 6 points, or 6 times 6 is 36, maybe around almost 200 hopefully. And from the current situation, you can see there's a U shape, and the price keep try to push on the higher side, and we are on the PNL with this minus 3.75 losses, minus 11 in losses. Okay, let's hope the price will not reverse back further down. So based from the current candle, we can see still maintain this buy signal to go for a long position. So base, if we recalculate from this position, we might get comfortably at 161.8% Fibo level, which is at 2858.25, which is the blue line of pivot point. So there's a pivot point line over here. Okay, this is what I mentioned there's a signal to go long based from my indicator here, US Session Scalper indicator. You can get it from the link below, how to get this indicator attached to your TradingView account. So price still remain negative at this moment, still waiting for it to break through this nearest high, which is the signal from our position here. So which is the signal over here, by plus one tick higher than the candle, so we have to queue one more point, but this is the third, is the same using the second signal. So let's wait. Hopefully price will go towards the direction. Alright, so still waiting. You can see there's a red candle. Hopefully only small pullback. Hopefully if it's getting lower and lower until 45 or 47, then we should be worried. We have a large position over here, and let's hope it will not damage all the account. Okay, our average price is at 28.52, and the current price is about 28.50, about 1.75, 1.3 quarter ticks different. Okay, looks good. So looks good. Okay, now you can see hopefully this candle will end up in blue, which is will help us to have a strong indication to penetrate this level of entry and the previous level of entry over here. So the target is still at this 20, which is okay, and the target is around this price level of 28.58 or 59. So this is the price targeted TP. So let's wait and see. Could be now very strong pullback. We'll add one more position, maybe at 28.50.75, maybe perhaps. Okay, too strong the pullback. I need to find the, cannot be that. So first I will queue 28.54.75, which is the same of price entry. It's the same price entry for this second signal. Still the price move back towards this level, then I will re-enter again at 28.53.75. okay, so alright, so we might need to re-enter again. So 28.53.75, the same price level we enter. From our second signal. So this order also need to modify a bit. So hopefully everything will work fine towards the targeted, and we will exit the market at 58 exactly. Alright, so hopefully everything will go fine, and based from this candle, hopefully it will break through and move towards the price targeted, which is at, sorry, alright, so this is the breakout or something like the signal from my US Session Scalper indicator. Okay, oh, this is not good. candle cannot be red. For this one, candle must be white, and there's an entry of 54.53.75. So now we can see there's a red candle, which is indicate the price might go other ways around, so I need to be careful. Doesn't look good. Okay, just need to calm down and recheck everything. Hopefully this one will not become the entry for the short sell position. It's too strong for the short sell, so I will pause this video for a while and resume later on. Alright traders, price move back towards our position, so at this moment we are on the positive side, and let's hope the price remain TP, hit the stop loss, and we are in the good position to go flat. Yes, now we flat everything. Okay, we flat everything. So from the losses we managed to capture 105 US dollar in profit. It was a good one, it was a strong one. Okay, it hit the TP, so any moment it will hit. Okay, alright, hit 2858.00. It was a good one. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a link below in the description if you are interested to get this charting signal indicator, self-made indicator. You can click the link below in the description. Feel free to go through it and contact me for further question. Thank you for watching. It was a rough one today actually. Yeah, luckily.